how to install WhatsApp on your computer. So if you want to go and download and start using WhatsApp on your computer, then what you'll need to do is first open up your start menu, go and search for Microsoft Store and open up this application. Click on the search box in the top navigation and then just go and search for WhatsApp and press enter. You'll then need to go and click on the WhatsApp application, and then you can just click on the blue Get button to go and install this. Now, this should only take a couple of seconds to go and download. Once it's finished downloading, we can either just click on the Open button from here, or you can head back over to your Start menu and search for WhatsApp, and then you can go and open up the WhatsApp app. Now, once you have WhatsApp open, we can click on Get Started, and now what you'll need to do is go and link your WhatsApp account. Now, to do this, you'll just need to head over to your mobile device, and you can open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or from your mobile. You can then click on the settings icon from your iPhone, click on Linked Devices, and then press Link a Device, and you'll simply need to go and scan this QR code, and that should automatically sign you into WhatsApp. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.